Want to instantly elevate your animations and make them pop? Today, we're diving into the world of animation staging in Adobe Animate. Let's get started. This is the most underloved part of animation. First, create a new project or open an existing one. This is where our story comes to life. Always start by clearly defining your layers. Consider them your individual performance spaces. Characters, backgrounds, and props should all have their own layer. It keeps everything organized. Next, think about the positions and actions of your characters. Use character positions to clearly express what's happening in your animation. Placement on screen adds important context to your animation. For example, a character off-center or looking down indicates thoughtfulness or observation. Make sure your character's important actions are clear and easy to understand by emphasizing the action. This ensures your audience focuses on what's most important to your story. For example, a character pointing to the far-off distance to emphasize what is down that street. Consider the composition where the action is taking place. Use the rule of thirds to create visual interest. Give your character the focus, using the rule of thirds to focus your viewer's attention. Remember these key principles of animation staging for your project: clear layers, distinct positions and character actions, and intentional composition. This will create a clear narrative. This is how animators take the stage and put on a fantastic animation.